Hey guys, in this lecture I want to let you know, if you want, you will use image library to add GIF file because there are built-in GIF available. So let's play. At first you have to click on image icon like this, then find GIF category from here like this. Look at, I simply hit on here. Yes, there are lots of GIF available, so you can choose any of them as you wish. Suppose I like this one, therefore simply pick it. Yes, it has been added. Now I will set camera position for it. To do that, simply hit on here. At the same time I will select this layer and move it at the beginning like this. Right now I have set it in the first position, but you can set it anywhere you want. Okay, now I'm selecting properties option. Now make sure play continuously, just hit on here. After that I increase the time a little bit, just follow me. And finally hit on check mark. Now we'll see a preview guys, just follow me. Wow, it's working perfectly. I hope you understand. Thank you very much for watching the video.